Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to clip a photo in Canva. First of all, head over to Canva website on your preferred web browser. Now, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, create a new design. After that, you can also use a custom size or any template from Canva. Now I'm going to use a template from here. You can use your own photo. After that, you can see here it is little bit more at this side, so I want to clip it this much. Now click on the image and you will see edit image option. You can also double click on the image like this and you will see crop option here. After that, here you can see three options. At the last of it, you can see crop. Click on it and then select freeform. By selecting freeform, you can crop anywhere and anyhow you like. But if you click 1:1 ratio, it will make a square like this and you can adjust it to your liking. Here you can see 16:9 option. The ratio will be of 16:9 and adjust it to your liking. Also, there are many other options. You can also expand this image. Select the image and expand how much you want. After that, click on Magic Expand button and the remaining image will be filled by itself. So you will get at least 4 templates here. Choose which one you like. So that is how you can expand a clip photo in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.